Hey everybody! Today's story is called What's That Noise? And it's by Niall Westerfield, and he sent me this book to read to you guys. This book's about moon minis. Do you know what a moon mini is? Do you know what a moon mini is? How about you? None of you know what a moon mini is. Well, I didn't know either. So moon minis are rabbits that live on the moon, which sounds like a very strange thing. Why would rabbits live on the moon? Here, we see the dark spots on the moon. We always say, that's the old man on the moon. But in some places, like in East Asia, they'll say, it's the little bunny rabbit. And she's making moon cakes. So these stories are about little bunny rabbits that live on the moon, and they make moon cakes. You ready to hear a story about bunny rabbits and making moon cakes? In the world of the moon minis, if you eat a moon cake and you make a wish, your wish will come true. One moon afternoon, Pink Moon Mini was happily baking moon cakes. A second later, the kitchen door swung open and Pivot Moon Mini entered the room. "Here's the last bag of moon dust," Pivot said. "Wonderful," said Pink. "Place it over there by the cooling rack." Pivot got excited. "Wow, look at all those moon cakes." See all the moon cakes? You see them? You see them? You want to eat some moon cakes? Or you'd just rather eat meat? "Yes, I think the princess will be very happy with tonight's moon cake festival," Pink said. "I can't wait to tell the other moon minis," Pivot exclaimed. He skipped away into the cavern where the other moon minis were mining moon dust. Pink carried on with his baking. Quietly, within the shadows, a large hand reached over the cooling rack and grabbed a bunch of moon cakes. Pink was unaware of what was happening and finished stirring his magical ingredients together to make wishes come true. Somebody's getting moon cakes. So, they're getting moon cakes like you're getting my coat. Minutes later... Come here, Soko. Minutes later, Pivot entered the cavern where Vivi, Moon Mini, was mining moon dust. "Hey Vivi, I just saw the last batch of moon cakes cooling off, and I have to say the princess will be very pleased with tonight's festival." Suddenly a loud, yes, like that, a loud noise. Suddenly a loud noise shouted from the far tunnel. The noise made all the other moon minis panic and scurry away. "Oh no! You sound panicked!" "What's that noise?" Vivi shrieked out. Pivot was frightened. "I don't know, and I don't want to find out. Hurry, this way, into the moon tunnel." Pivot saw an empty cart. "Quick! Let's empty this cart and speed away." Roar! "It sounds like it's getting closer," Vivi yelled out. "Faster, let's jump in this moon river," Pivot exclaimed. They jumped in the river. In the river? The two moon minis raced down the moon river. They passed by many other moon minis pushing their carts through the caverns. Roar! Pivot and Vivi came upon a waterfall. Ah! Just like you guys. They both screamed as they approached the edge. They went over it. There was nothing that Pivot or Vivi could do. It looked like it was their doom. With a muffled thump, they landed on a soft pile of moon dust. But the creepy sound got even closer. Just then, they both realized there was nothing to be afraid of. It was only Yummy Moon Minnie. His stomach was growling so much from eating too many mooncakes. He was the one responsible for eating the mooncakes from the kitchen. Pivot sounded stern. Yummy Moon Minnie, Pink is going to be very upset that you ate so many mooncakes. I know, Yummy said. My stomach hurts so bad. I'll never eat that many mooncakes again. Went Yummy's stomach. One more time. The three of them went back to the kitchen. Pink was setting out his last batch of mooncakes onto the cooling rack. Hello, Pink, said Pivot. Yummy has something to tell you. Yummy was very ashamed. Yeah, I'm sorry. I ate too many mooncakes before the festival. I'll never do it again. Well, Pink said, I hope you learned your lesson, Yummy. Luckily, I have enough mooncakes baked for everyone to enjoy, so let's go celebrate. Oh, good, said Yummy, because I really do love mooncakes. You want to eat a mooncake? Do they taste like paper? That moon night, the princess and all the other moon minis gathered together and celebrated the Mooncake Festival. They played music and danced all night. Every moon mini was given a mooncake and made their wish come true. The end. And that's my hat. That's not a mooncake. I don't even know if I can get this back on, you silly guys. Alright, well, thank you, Niall, for sending the book. I hope everybody enjoyed this. I know some kids certainly seem to find it yummy. You guys take care.